Man, you're welcome back. We'll be talking about automations in the Go High Level software today. So let's get to it. I've got my emails and SMS set up here in this Google Drive document, and I will be sourcing from here. Okay. Now, on our landing page or the home page of Go High Level, we navigate to the left. Right under marketing, we have the automation. We click on that, which pops up our menu here in a second. Voila. Okay. So to organize things, I like to keep my workflows in a folder. So I click on create folder. I'd say 2024 TJ demo. Okay, now within this, I'm going to call this workflow a product launch. So you can either import from a campaign or you start from scratch. So I'd like to start from scratch for the purpose of this demonstration. Now we need to set up a couple of things. First, we'll rename our workflow here by clicking once, and I'll say project or product launch. Okay, that's the name of our workflow now. To get our business name and email positioned properly, we click on the settings and we scroll all the way down here. You can add a specific time to send it and when not to send your emails or your workflow list. But we are not going to touch on that. That will be for an advanced class. So we'll edit this to make sure our business name goes in here. Company profile, business name, custom values, company profile, business email. Fantastic. Okay, so we are done with setting up the basics. First thing your workflow needs is the trigger. And our trigger here can be a form. Okay, so when a user submits or completes a form, this series of emails and SMS would begin automatically. It can be a form, it can be a birthday reminder, it can be a task added, it can be anything you want in here. So let's see if we have a form in here. Let's check. Form submitted, add filter, form is, and would you believe it? We don't have a form. Okay, so let's go back and let's create a form. And then we come back here. In order to get our forms, we click on sites over here, which loads this. You can have your funnels here, that is your websites. And then we come over to forms, we click on the builder. So when you get into the website building, or if you have like the knowledge already from website building, this should not be new for you. So we'll add a form. Let's start from scratch. For now, I'm just going to need the first name, the last name, the email. Okay, excellent. So let's call this the product, launch form. All right. And you save this. So now we have a form we can use. So when a customer fills out this form, wherever it is on the funnels or website, by the time it's submitted, our AI automation here would pick that action up, and whatever emails or SMS we have inside the automation would begin the process of sending and waiting and reminding and all of that. Okay, let's continue setting up our workflow here. So, I'd like to share my screen share. Let's click on this, select form, submit it, add filters, form is, and there you go, product launch form. I'm a save trigger. Okay, press the plus button here and then we add our email. The first thing we have here now, one, this is a demo of course, email one, subject introducing our new product line. We copy this. For the body, we copy this. So that's for the first email. Over on the actions, we search for email, send email, we click on this. Now the action name is important. You can say email one or whatever, but I like having my subject as the action name. For the subject, to paste it there. Okay. Now for the body, let's paste our body. Now, if you remember from the previous video, we have to infuse some custom values in here. So I'll copy this, delete, and I would add my custom value over here. Best regards, business name or company name. There you go. I'll come to first name also. Let's make it custom values, which is going to be contact and first name. Okay, so now we have to format our text. There's way too much spacing. Yeah, there we go. Save action. Save. So we've successfully added one email to our workflow. Now let's head on to the next step. We have to wait until the next day before we send an SMS. Okay, so let's add a wait. We'll click this plus sign here and we search for a wait. There we are. So we say wait 1 day. This is editable. So we select this is a time delay. Wait, let's make this 1 minute, hours or days. We're going for days. If you want hours, that will be 24. So you can also have an advanced window to send either during the weekdays or weekends only. If you want it to just be during the work hours or after the work hours, it's all done in here. So let's save this. We've successfully added a wait time. Next step, let's add our SMS message. Click on the plus sign once more and search for SMS. Now, obviously, the SMS doesn't have a subject line, so we just copy the body text, paste it here. Custom values also works for SMS, so we do that right now. We're meant to have the company name, so we select business name. Okay, save. And we get in there, we get in there. The next email would be on day 3, so let's add another day. So you can either click on this plus sign here, or there's a shortcut. Click on these 3 dots. You'd say copy, copy action, and we say copy here. Voila. It's another wait. Let's do it. So we're gonna have an email this time, yeah? And the subject is exclusive early bird offer just for you. Copy, and then we copy the body. We also have some custom values here. Send email. Remember action name can be your subject. And for the subject, same thing. All right. Ooh, fantastic. Let's add our custom values. Business name. This gets repetitive if you have like 40, 50 emails. Just have to keep paying attention. Okay, let's delete this. Shop now button. Okay, let's link this. I would select the whole text I want to link and I click on this right here, add link. So where's the URL? www.fitbiztechie.com. Let's save action. Okay. Either you want it to open a new window or you want it to replace the current window you have open. So let's make this custom valid first name. Let's go for a contact and first name. So we are good to go, yeah? So we've talked about how to add an email, SMS, the wait times, how to add a link. So now let's test our link if it works. Open a new window. And there we go. It's loading our company website. That is fantastic. So we save action, save here, and then we publish. Very important to publish. Okay. So we are published. We can actually test this. For your enrollment history, you click on this. So you see the stats of how many people have enrolled, what time, all of that. Okay. So that is the basic gist of workflows. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video.